guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I HIY'd my July spread in my planner right here. Look at this little ghost. He's saying keep on watching. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sam. Here I celebrate Halloween every single day all throughout the year, creating Halloween lifestyle, spreading Halloween cheer, Halloween inspo, all the spooky things. If you want to get to know me, you can follow me on social media. All my links all my links are listed down below. If you would like to support my channel and what I'm doing, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee and Buy Me a Pumpkin Spice Latte if you want. No pressure though. That link is also listed below. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing the process of how I created my spread for my planner for the month of July. Now, when you're seeing this, I know we're like in week 1, kind of week 2 of July, but I wanted to still upload it. Maybe if you guys like these videos, maybe I'll add them every month. Let me know. But yes, I am a planner person. If you're new here, every year I do my own Halloween happy decorated planners. There's none for sale right now, so don't get too excited, but every year I customize some planners and I decorate them. I sell them to the Halloween happy friends so they can buy them and use them. This planner right here is for all things Halloween happy. It's been a little sparse, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really excited to share with you how easy it is just to bring Halloween into your everyday life, especially on a calendar. You don't even need to have a planner. You could just do this with a wall calendar. You can print out a monthly calendar and just do like one sheet and add your things to it, and I'll get more into the details as I share the process with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey guys, so here is what I'm starting with, my base. First, I gotta have that sip of coffee. Also going to burn a candle. This is Oak Moss Amber by Witch City Wicks, which is one of my favorite candle shops here in Salem. Check them out if you get a chance. So this is what the month looks like so far. It's pretty bare, as you can tell. Don't mind the dog hair. Raven, she likes to shed. She's a shedding queen. I decided to just go through the process to show you how I'm just adding simple things to Halloween it myself pretty much. I'm gonna be adding some simple stickers, just ones that I've had in my collection. This mini album, it holds stickers. It's like super easy to flip through and see what stickers you want to use, but I got this from a shop called Simply Gilded, and it's like my favorite thing. It feels like butter. It's so soft. I'm obsessed. Here are some pieces, just odds and ends from my crafting, and I always pull little pieces out when I'm doing a project to see if there's anything that I can use. I'm just going through, trying to take a note mentally to see what I'm gonna do, what my vibe's gonna be. These stickers I think I got these as a gift actually from Life Organized, and then these are the Happy Planner stickers, this fall themed. All of the pages are fall themed. I love it so much. I think I got this at Michael's last year, and then this little sticker sheet I found at the dollar spot at Target like 2 years ago. These little sticker packs I found at Michael's just over the years, and here's a little bit of washi tape that I'm going to be using. Isn't this little jack-o'-lantern ceramic so cute? I don't know if you can tell, but these pages are actually from a completely different planner, which is why they are punched like that, but I went ahead and punched them myself with a 3-hole punch. This planner I got from Amazon. I will try to remember to link it below. Whenever I do my spreads, I like to trace over the lines just so it appears more bold to me, because it kind of gets lost once you put everything on there. So I just do this because honestly it makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something. And here I just start adding some washi tape. I highly recommend you can use any kind of washi tape. It doesn't have to be specifically Halloween with like jack-o'-lanterns or ghost. It can just be like a basic color scheme, like this black and white one. I actually love this pattern so much. I'm just taking a few pins, kind of outlining the days, making it pop just a little bit more. I really love doing this layout. It's kind of like a meditation for me, if that makes sense. It's like my me time. I love just coming in my office, and it's kind of like you get to craft. You also get to think about some goals that you want to do. It's just like your you time, you know? I love burning a candle. I love playing Halloween music. Sometimes I'll listen to like some meditation music just to kind of get my mind feeling good. So you'll kind of see, it takes me a little bit just to get in the flow of things, but once I'm going, I'm going. I'm a going ghoul pretty much. These stickers are so cute, and I just like adding them. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't even have to do the whole month, but I was just feeling like I wanted to kind of craft, and this was just like an easy way to do it. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you can do this on a printed calendar. You can do this on a wall calendar, just print out like a month. You can put a plain sheet on your wall calendar and then add stickers. You don't even have to do the sheet. You can just add the stickers straight to the following page. You know what I mean? It's so easy. You can also print out some of your favorite photos, your to-do list. So pretty much my style, it goes the same with decorating and crafting. Like I like a lot of textured things. I like it to just kind of look like a Halloween party, really. Like I just want it to be fun. I want it to be loud. I want there to be a lot of things going on. And my favorite color scheme to work with is always black, white, orange, silver, gray. I love this base because you can always add little touches. Like if I wanted to add some purple, that would look great. Especially doing green with this color palette would look amazing. I'm just going around kind of making some little doodles and just outlining some of my stickers. I always do this because it just adds a little bit more, and I like doodling. What can I say? Switching out the colors of ink, and this planner that I use is for all things Halloween happy, like I mentioned. So the monthly spread I always dedicate to when my video days are gonna be. Now, my goal was to upload twice a week here on my channel, and I don't know, sometimes it's just, what I'm trying to say is that the video schedule that you see here might not be the video schedule that you get. I'm definitely going to upload weekly still, but I don't know if the days will be specifically Tuesday and Friday, but we'll see how it goes. I just try to have a goal just so I can keep it in the back of my mind and focus on it. But then I also have become so much better by not beating myself up if I don't achieve that goal. I kind of, I'm learning to give myself a break. So here I'm just doing some more outlining just to make it look more bold, more uniformed. Since I used the washi tape, I'm hole punching it, as you can see, to insert it back into my planner, and it fits so easily, and I just close it. This was a little piece of cardstock I had. I just added some washi tape on the top, hole punched it, and it's kind of become my bookmark. If you guys want to see me actually Halloween the heck out of this planner, let me know, because I would like to set some time aside and do that. as you can tell, I've kind of put it off the whole year. This little ghost charm, one of my subscribers made this for me a long time ago. They sent me a bunch of little bookmark charms like this, and I wanted to just use it because I thought it was so cute, and it just adds more texture to it, you know, more Halloween happiness. It's so cute. I just love Halloween stickers so much. It just makes me feel like such a kid. It makes me feel so happy. So I'm gonna pop out of here, and then I will talk more at the end of the video.
So that's gonna wrap it up for my July spread and my Halloween happy planner. Let me know what you guys think. I will say I'm still looking for like the perfect layout to add everything. I don't add the stuff like during the weeks. That is more like my to-do list. That's where we get serious with the things that we need to do, the goals that I try to hit, and all of that stuff. The monthly spread is just, it just brings me happiness, and it makes taking on the month a little bit easier, not so overwhelming. We got stuff to do, but look at how cute this is. Look at how spooky it is. It's so cheerful, and I just love it so much. Thumbs up if you are interested in seeing more videos like this. Comment down below if you would like me to include my monthly spreads. If you're new here and have not yet, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my notifications. That way you are notified when there is a new video out. I upload videos on my channel weekly, so I would love to have you be a part of my community, get to know the other Halloween happy friends. We're like at the very tip of the roller coaster for like the road to Halloween. I feel like we're already there, in my opinion, just saying. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.